Welcome to the new world of digital analytics. Google Analytics has recently upgraded to Google Analytics 4, which brings exciting new features and a more intuitive user experience. In this tutorial, we will dive into the basics of the 4 platform, covering its key differences from previous versions and how to make the most of its powerful capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned analytics professional or just starting out, this guide will give you a solid understanding of what GA4 has to offer and how to get started with it. So let's start. Log into your Google Analytics account. You will see a notification bar on top of the screen showing a message that on July 1st, 2023, this property will stop processing data. Starting in March 2023, for continued website measurement, you should create a new Google Analytics 4 property, or one will be created for you based on your original property and reusing exiting site tags. So you must upgrade to Google Analytics 4 to use its new amazing features. To do so, click on the Manage G4 Migration tab on the notification bar. It will take some time to load. Once it is loaded, you will see here 2 options on the screen. First is I want to create a new Google Analytics 4 property, and another is to connect to an existing property. So if you already have created a GA4 property, then you can connect to it. Otherwise, you will have to create a new property. So click on Get Started to start a new GA4 property. You will see a dialog box on the screen to start creating your Google Analytics 4 property. Click on Create and Continue button. On the next screen, you will see a Google Analytics 4 Property Setup Assistant. Here you can explore and set up all features. Now click on Go to your GA4 property button. On the next page, you will see the Setup Assistant. Here you can set up the features to get most out of your new Google Analytics property. To do so, click on Open Connected Property button. One of the features that you must set up is Event Data Retention Period. So click on Data Settings on the left sidebar, and then click on Data Retention. Select 14 months from the drop-down menu. Here you can change the retention period for data you send that is associated with cookies, user identifiers, or advertising identifiers. Changes to this data will affect after 24 hours. Now click on Data Streams. Here you can see the new GA4 data stream you have just created. Click on it to see web stream details, such as stream name, its URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. You can copy this measurement ID and use it to install a Google tag on your website. To do so, first you need to install a tag on your website. Click on the yellow button to view tag instructions. To install a tag, you can use a content management system or website bidder, such as WordPress, or you can install it manually by inserting the tag in your website header. Click on Install Manually, and you will see a Google tag here that you can copy and paste in your website header. Now log into your website's WordPress account. Go to Appearance and click on Theme File Builder. Now select Theme Header from the sidebar options. Find the header section in the coding and paste the Google tag here. Click on the Update File button. Then log into Google Tag Manager and click on Create Account button. Add the account name. Select your country from the drop-down menu, and then add the container name that is your website name. You can select any target platform. In our case, we want to install a tag on our website, so we will select Web here. Now click on Create button. It will show you a page with Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement. Click on Yes button to accept the agreement. Once you accepted the terms and conditions, a dialog box will appear with the Google Tag Manager code for the header and the body section. You can install these codes to your website by using a plugin. Go to WordPress again and add a new plugin called WPCode Insert Header and Footers. Click on Plugins and then click on Add New. In the search bar on the top right corner, write down Insert Header and Footer. Now click on the Activate button on WPCode Insert Header and Footers plugin. Go to the plugin settings and click on Code Snippet. It allows you to add the Tag Manager code in the header and the body section of your website. Go back to the Tag Manager and copy the tag that you need to insert into the website header. Now paste it in the header section of the WPCode plugin. Now copy the body tag and paste it in the body section. Click on Save Changes button. Now go back to Google Tag Manager and click on Preview button. Type your website's URL and click on Connect button. This will connect the Google Tag Assistant to your website. Now go to Tag Manager and click on Tags in the sidebar. Click on Tag Configuration. To choose the tag type, click on Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Go back to Google Analytics account and copy your measurement ID. Paste it in the measurement ID box to configure the Tag Manager. Now open the triggering tab and select all pages. You can name this Tag Manager container now. I usually use the measurement ID in the container name. Click on Save button. Now we have successfully configured the Google Analytics in the Tag Manager. Click on Preview again and get connected to your website. Now go to your Google Analytics account and access your website's GA4 account to check your website events, conversions, and views. Click on Go to Admin and then click on Debug View. The updated data will appear here after 24 hours of creating your account. Once you have created your Google Analytics 4 account, publish or make it live. To do so, go to Tag Manager and click on Submit button. Now give it a version name. You can also type a description if you want and click on Publish. Now your upgraded version is live. Keep in mind that if you have any subdomains of your website, they will automatically adapt the upgraded version. But if you have multiple domains, then you will have to install GA4 for each domain individually, or you need to add them to your existing GA4 account to enable cross-domain measurement. So go to the stream details on your Google Analytics account and click on Manage Connected Site Tags. Now click on Configure Domains. On the Configurations page, click on Add Condition and type your domain name on which you want to enable cross-domain measurement. You can add multiple domains here. Now click on Save button. Your website data collection has been enabled now. It will take up to 24 hours to appear in your Analytics account. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Google Analytics 4. We hope you found it helpful in understanding the basics of the new platform and how to use its features to your advantage. Don't forget to keep exploring and experimenting with GA4 to get the most out of your digital analytics efforts. And don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or feedback you may have. We wish you the best of luck in your digital analytics journey. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss a new video and will be able to stay up to date with the latest digital marketing and analytics tips and trends. So hit that subscribe button now, and we'll see you in the next video.